I know it's dark outside, but as of right now, it is pouring outside. I I was outside earlier this evening. I was going out to dinner with my mom and my brother, and it was cloudy. It was like dreary, and the weather was kind of like unsettled, but it wasn't like raining earlier, but it was just like dreary and cloudy. And a little while ago, I was talking to my mom. We were having a little discussion, and guess what? Out of the ordinary, rain just it's pouring rain just came right in. Rain was pouring and pouring. I'm like, oh my god, we are getting soaked. So this may be the video that you will only get tonight because I was talking to my mom for quite, I don't know, maybe an hour or so, closer to around an hour and a half, maybe an hour and a quarter, I don't know. So this will be the only video you guys will be getting tonight. But there will be more videos tomorrow, so yeah. Luckily, as of right now, we're not seeing any boomers, which is thunder and lightning. We're just getting heavy rain, and so it's just pouring. That's it. I will see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Peace.